Toms is one of the leading chocolate manufacturers in Northern Europe. Since 1924, we have been providing chocolates of the highest quality. The factory in Nowa Sól was established in 2019 and is one of the most modern on the market. It produces as much as 7,000 tons of finished product per year. The process begins with liquid chocolate delivered by tanker trucks to the plant, which are stored in heated tanks. The chocolate is in constant motion thanks to stirrers and pumps that are driven by the SEW-EURODRIVE products. Energy efficiency is a priority for modern manufacturing. The first thing that comes to mind is the motor and its energy efficiency class. This is important, but it's worth looking at the topic more broadly. For example, at the efficiency of the gear motor itself. Toms previously used worm gears from another manufacturer with an efficiency of 77%. This means that 23% of the energy was lost to overcome the resistance of transmission itself. In their place, we used a far better solution. The solution are right-angle W9 series gear units which achieve 95% efficiency. We combined them with energy-efficient motors. By doing so, we have reduced energy consumption by 30%. During the selection process, we analyzed all combinations and parameters of gear motors. This allowed us to achieve optimization and reduction of inventory. What convinced us to work with SEW-EURODRIVE Polska? Above all, partnership approach, easy and quick contact, and willingness to take on the challenge of modernizing our production lines. We used SEW-EURODRIVE solutions to replace other manufacturers' drives, which were giving us many problems related to component wear and oil leaks. We minimized the cost associated with overstocked components from many different manufacturers. In addition, using online support capabilities, we can select solutions as we see fit. We have an overview of the history of completed orders and can easily order replacement parts. A very interesting and helpful solution available on the online support portal is SEW's automatic suggestion of parts for replacement if one of the components is damaged. This allows us to perform preventive maintenance effectively, which fits perfectly with Toms' policy. At Toms, we make decisions throughout our value chain in accordance with the principles of sustainability. Our ambition is to contribute to a better, more sustainable and safer world. We have been working for years to reduce carbon emissions and energy consumption. The energy we use must be carbon neutral. That's why we use electricity from our own photovoltaic farm and also buy renewable energy from certified suppliers. By using SEW-EURODRIVE solutions, we are able to reduce electricity consumption and thus lower production costs. For quick identification, we used DriveTag labels that contain the names of Toms applications. Regardless, all of our products are equipped with a QR code. After scanning it with a smartphone, we are redirected to our online support portal, where we find full product specifications. Through digitalization, we provide support to all our customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. SEW-EURODRIVE provides precisely tailored solutions for each application, and our experts listen carefully to customer needs. We are happy to be a part of this project, because the success of our customers is the best reward. This is the sweet taste of success.